This is how I made my YouTube banner. I need to update my banner. So what I did was I created this little blend file that's all nice to set up. So double clicking it on it to open it up. Here it is. I'm going to expand this. So what we're seeing right now is a overlay of the camera. So if we go to click on camera, click on the camera again, and then we have the background images. So that's what this is. And so that allows us to, for references and stuff. So, excuse me, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to do file, save as. I'm going to do Blender for YouTube. Banner. Good. Save as. Okay. Now I'm going to do, let's do file, import image as plain. And I'm going to navigate into, let's see, where I should have the custom one, intros, custom. Let's do render. It's taking a little bit. S, G. Looks like the background here. Let me click on the camera. Fade. Oh, I know. Okay, let's do file, import image as planes. I forgot it has to be shadeless. Custom G S G S G. Okay, so if we click on the camera, we can just kind of hide it for right now. So the opacity right here. So there's different views, and so it gets kind of confusing. So this blue one right here, that's the majority. Then we have the TV, and then we have the desktop. So there's a lot of different views you can do. Run it for YouTube. Let's just kind of change the opacity just a little bit. Okay, GZ. Try and make it center. SGZ. So then what's going to happen is there, yeah, I like that because in my head it's like kind of cropped off. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And then if we go full screen here, sorry, let's click on camera, opacity. Yeah, I think that's good. I like that. So let's go ahead and render this guy out. Render image. It looks good. Image, save as. And let's see, this is the banner. Save as image. Perfect. Cool. So we should be good. So let's just close this guy. I already saved this one. Save. Let's change. Go. I might be able to just drag and drop. Let's do banner. Nope. Change. Documents. YouTube. Blender for YouTube. Videos. YouTube. Banner. Here's my banner. Upload. Done. Publish. View channel. That looks good. That looks really good. So if it's smaller, so then I'm kind of like hidden. Perfect. And then that's going to tie into the intro that I did. So I think that looks really good. So I think we can ship it. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.